How to unblock yourself on WhatsApp if someone has blocked you. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check if you have an updated version of WhatsApp application. So let's search for WhatsApp, and here as you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So we're going to tap on open. Now in terms of this unblocking yourself on WhatsApp, if someone has blocked you, it's not practically possible to do it by yourself. If someone has blocked you, then they are the only people who have that access to unblock you as well. You cannot unblock yourself if somebody else has blocked you. So you can either send them a message to unblock you, or you can just send them another request, but there is no direct way to unblock yourself on WhatsApp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.